Children, let's read and spell the word a cake. Cake. C-A-K-E. Cake. Fruit. Fruit. F-R-U-I-T. Jelly. Jelly. J-E-L-L-Y. Salad. Salad. S-A-L-A-D. Salad. Cookies. Cookies. C-O-O-K-I-E-S. Cookies. It is Kelly's birthday. She is having a party. Happy birthday, Kelly, says Mike. Thank you, says Kelly. There is a lot of food on the table. Mike likes salad. Tony likes fruit and jelly. Kelly wants to see her birthday cake. The cake is coming, says Mrs. Lau. She brings the cake from the kitchen. There are presents on the floor. Oh no! Mrs. Lau falls over the presents. She drops the cake. Sorry, Kelly, says Mrs. Lau. It is okay, says Kelly. Now, let's eat the yummy food, says Kelly. J, 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 j. Listen to the sound of the letter J. 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 Let's say the words that begin with the J. 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 Jam. J. J. Jelly. J. J. Juice.